China changed every day. I came in China in 1987, the first time. It was not a very nice view also at that time. But when I went recently in Shanghai, I went along the Yangpo. Today, the Yangpo is a beautiful green path where you have youngsters walking in romantic style along the river. Not only the Yangpo, but I can tell much more about it in China. I never saw so many electric cars like I would see in China everywhere. I think this is some really great initiatives. I think it's fantastic what you have done here. I see the environment is coming back, the sea is getting clearer. When China wants to do something, it goes fast. Because you have good leadership and also because you have good disciplined Chinese people. We have lots of exchanges. Most of the things that we import from Mauritius come from China. Besides this, now with the trade, the free trade agreement that Mauritius and China signed in 2019 came into force on the 1st of January 2021. With that free trade agreement, there are lots of opportunities that both sides should look into it. One of the great opportunities is that Mauritius also forms part of the African Union, which means Mauritius can be the gateway to use that free trade agreement towards the whole continent, of African continent, which is a huge opportunity, which is a market of 1.5 billion people in Africa.